Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Splendour community here in Niagara Falls. The multi-gen homes have been unveiled, and this lovely model, the Grandeur, has 3 fully finished levels. With over 3,200 square feet of finished living spaces, Pinewood's vision for new home solutions in the new Niagara has come full circle. We are back at the Splendour community in Niagara Falls, and Pinewood is so excited to welcome you in to our Grandeur model home. With fully finished living areas on all 3 levels, plus an exterior staircase walk-up from the basement, these multi-generational homes make it clear that Pinewood is producing the best real estate investment purchase in Niagara.